ল ব্যারেট রেজিস্টার্ড আইনি প্রতিষ্ঠান। আমরা সুপ্রিম কোর্ট, হাইকোর্ট, জেলা কোর্ট, ক্রেতা সুরক্ষা আদালত প্রভৃতি কোর্টে যে কোনো আইনি সমস্যায় পুরো ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে আমরা কেস করে থাকি এবং আপনাদের সহযোগিতা করে থাকি। তাই কোনো অসুবিধা হলে আমাদের অফিসে অবশ্যই যোগাযোগ করুন। আজকের বিষয় ভারতীয় ফ্ল্যাগ, মানে আমাদের যে ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ, সেই বিষয়ে আজকে আলোচনা। তো পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখার জন্য অনুরোধ করা হচ্ছে এবং শ্রদ্ধার সঙ্গে ভারতীয় ফ্ল্যাগ বিষয়ে জানার চেষ্টা করুন। আমরা যতটা পারবো আপনাদের ইনফরমেশন শেয়ার করব। আজকের বিষয় ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ অফ ইন্ডিয়া। দি ন্যাশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ অফ ইন্ডিয়া, colloquially collected the tricolor, is a horizontal rectangular tricolor flag of India, saffron, white and Indian green, with the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel in navy blue at its center. It was adopted in its present form during a meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 22nd July 1947, and it became the official flag of the Dominion of India on 15 August 1947. The flag was subsequently written as that of the Republic of India. In India, the term tricolor almost always refers to the Indian national flag. The flag is based on the Swaraj flag, a flag of the Indian National Congress designed by Pingali Venkayana. By law, the flag is to be made of khadi, a special type of hand-spun cloth or silk made popular by Mahatma Gandhi. The manufacturing process and specification for the flag are laid out by the Bureau of Indian Standards. The right to manufacture the flag is held by the Khadi Development and Village Industries Commission, who allocates it to regional groups. As of 2009, the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samukta Sangho has been the sole manufacturer of the flag. Usage of the flag is governed by the Flag Code of India and other laws relating to the national emblems. The original code prohibited use of the flag by private citizens except on national days such as the Independence Day and the Republic Day. In 2002, on hearing an appeal from a private citizen, Navin Jindal, the Supreme Court of India directed the Government of India to amend the code to allow flag uses by private citizens. Subsequently, the Union Cabinet of India amended the code to allow limited uses. The code was amended once more in 2005 to allow some additional use, including adaptations on certain forms of clothing. The flag code also governs the protocol of flying the flag and its use in conjunction with other national and non-national flags. Specification. According to the Flag Code of India, the Indian flag has a wide height aspect ratio of 3:2. All three horizontal bands of the flag, that is saffron, white and green, are equally sized. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 evenly spaced spokes. The size of the Ashoka Chakra is not specified in the flag code, but in section 431 of is one manufacturing standards for the Indian flag. There is a chart that describes specific size of the flag and the chakra reproduced alongside. Colors. Both the flag code and ISI call for the ISI 1 call for the Ashoka Chakra to be printed or painted on both sides of the flag in navy blue. Below is the list of the specified shades for the colors used on the national flag, with the exception of navy blue from SI manufacturing standards for the Indian flag as defined in the 1931 CIE color specification with illuminate. See, the navy blue color can be found in the standard IS 1803 1973. Symbolism. Gandhi first proposed a flag to the Indian National Congress in 1921. The flag was designed by Pinagali Venkataya. In the center was a traditional spinning wheel, symbolizing Gandhi's goal of making Indians self-reliant by fabricating their own cloth between a red stripe for Hindus and a green stripe for Muslims. The design was the modified to replace red with saffron and to include a white strip in the center for other religious communities, as well to symbolize peace between the communities and provide a background for the spinning wheel. However, to avoid certain associations with the color scheme, the three bands were later resign new meaning, courage and sacrifice, peace and truth, and faith and severity, respectively. A few days before India became independent on 15 August 1947, the specifically constituted Constituent Assembly decided that the flag of India must be acceptable to all parties and communities. A modified version of the Swaraj flag was chosen. The tricolor remained the same, saffron, white and green. However, the chakra was replaced by the Ashoka Chakra, representing the eternal wheel of law. The philosopher Mr. Radhakrishnan, who later became India's first vice president and second president, clarified the adopted flag and described its significance as follows. Bhagwa, or the saffron, denotes renunciation or disinterestedness. Our leaders must be indifferent to material gains and decides and dedicates themselves to their work. The white in the center is light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. The green shows our relation to the soil, our relation to the plant life here on which all other life depends. The Ashoka Chakra in the center of the white is the wheel of the law of Dharma. Truth or Sattva, Dharma or virtue ought to be the controlling principle of those who work under this flag. Again, the wheel denotes motion. There is death or in stagnation. There is life in movement. India should no more resist changes. It must move and go forward. The wheel represents the dynamism of a peaceful protocol, correct horizontal and vertical display of the flag. Display and usage of the flag is governed by the Flag Code of India in India 2002. The Emblems and Names Act 1950 and the Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act 1971. Insult to the national flag, including gross forms of indignities to it, as well as using it in a manner so as to violate the provisions of the flag code, are punishable by law with imprisonment up to 3 years or a fine or both. Official regulation states that the flag must never touch the ground or water or be used as a reparee in any form. The flag may not intentionally placed upside down, dip in anything, or hold any objects other than flower petals before unfurling. No sort of lettering may be inscribed on the flag. When out in the open, the flag should always be flown between sunrise and sunset, irrespective of the weather condition. Prior to 2009, the flag would be flown on a public building at night under special circumstances. Currently, Indian citizens can fly the flag even at night, subject to the restriction that the flag should be hoisted on a tall flagpole and be well illuminated. Protocol correction horizontal and vertical display of the flag. The flag should never be depicted, displayed, or flown upside down. It is considered insulting to display the flag in a red or dirty state, and the same rule applies to the flagpoles and halyards used to hoist the flag, which should always be in a proper state of maintenance. The original Flag Code of India did not allow private citizens to fly the national flag except on national days such as Independence Day, Republic Day. In 2001, Navin Jindal, an industrialist, used to the more egalitarian use the flag in the United States, where the studied flew the Indian flag on his office building. The flag was confiscated and he was warned of prosecution. Jindal filed a public interest litigation petition in the High Court of Delhi. He sought to strike down the restriction on the use of the flag by private citizens, argued that hoisting the national flag with due decorum and honor was his right as a citizen and a way of expressing his love for the country. এরপরে আমরা সেকেন্ড পার্ট করবো, সেটাও দেখবেন। থ্যাংকিং ইউ লবারের তরফ থেকে এই ভিডিওটা দেখার জন্য সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। এর পরের যে ভিডিওটা হবে সেটাও দেখার জন্য, এই 3টে পার্টে হচ্ছে, সেকেন্ড পার্ট থার্ড পার্টটাও দেখবেন। ভালো লাগলে ভিডিওটা লাইক করবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং শেয়ার করবেন। ধন্যবাদ।